Hello, my name is Mrs. VILLBERG and welcome to Makeup by the VILLBERGS. Today we are creating this look. I hope you like it.
Hey kids, and welcome to the VILLBERGS, messing around with makeup again. The look we're making today will be 50% in the base and a whole lot of blending, so pay attention. Start out with the usual lineup of Kryolan Supper Color, all listed below. Go in with the light colors first, blend it out, and follow with the dark contouring colors. Okay, here we go. The base of the eyeshadows and brow is going to be pink and blue. So I'm prepping the colors in the base, blending it out as I go. Both the blue and pink supper colors are from Kryolan's color wheels. I'm sure you can buy them separately. Clean up the lines by using the same light colored supper color as you used in the base before and blend it out. Set the wet base carefully with a translucent powder. You need to be really careful not to smudge any of the lines while doing this. Go in with a heavy blush. A new favorite is the Marble Blush Rosso Laguna from Makeup Store. Now it's time to go in with all the eyeshadows, and I'm going to use a lot of them, so pay attention. Starting with two pink eyeshadows from Makeup Store, Tutti Frutti and Blaze. Tutti Frutti is lighter, so I start with that, and then adding the Blaze below and blend the two out. After that, I go in with the blues. I'm going to use two different ones, both from Pat McGraw Labs. Starting with the blue 002 pigment, the lighter of the two, and then gently blend it out into the pink. Oh yeah, use the same eyeshadows under the eyes too, brush off any residue before we continue. Go in with the second of the blue colors. This time it's Blitz Blue from the Mothership 1 palette Subliminal. And after that I go back and forth with all colors to even out the blending. And now it's makeup porn for everyone. Add the Astral White for effect. This one is also from the Subliminal palette. Time to cut a crease. I'm using a sharp brush and a white supper color, appropriately named Clown White. It's very wet, so I set it immediately with a loose eyeshadow, O'Brien from OCC Cosmetics. To go in with the blacks, and I'm adding some loose powder below the eyes before I start. Apply the extreme black eyeshadow from the Subliminal palette and follow with the two blue eyeshadows to blend it out. Paint the waterline black with the Black Caviar Long Lasting Gel Liner from McGraw Labs. And draw a thin eyeliner with a dual-ended marker. Oops, if you make any mistakes, just cover it up using more makeup. Anyway, set the eyeliner with extreme black eyeshadow when you're done. Paint and curl your lashes and plop some fake lashes on. No specific brand today, I customized these ones for the missus. Connect the lashes to the eyes using a wet eyeliner. I'm using the Precise Eyeliner Black from Makeup Store. Time for the lips, and compared to what we just did to the eyes, this is an easy one. We're only using 2 products, both from OCC Makeup. Draw the lip line with the cosmetic color pencil Anime, and fill up the lip with the Working Girl Lip Tar. Go in and highlight everything you want shiny. We're using the Velvet Beam Cashmere from Makeup Store. And you're done, Barbie girl.
The makeup is done, so now it's time to jump into an outfit and a wig. See you soon. The look is complete and I think it looks amazing. I look like a Barbie and I love my new hair that the mister styled for me. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram. I am amazing. My husband is okay. Bye.